guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro. This is Shrija over here, and in today's video we're gonna see how to make your website live with cPanel. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. Now let's get into the video. In this topic, how to make your website live with cPanel. So I just explained everything how to make your uh, how can you build your website locally on your computer without having an hosting service or domain, just on your computer only for you. I just shown everything in the previous videos. You can go check out those videos. So this is your WordPress dashboard. So in order to make your website live, we need to follow few steps. So firstly, when you look at your local WordPress website that you are building in your computer, you can see local host WordPress over here in this section. So that is your local WordPress, and in order to make your that website live, firstly we need to set up a new WordPress site on a web hosting. To get the website live, we need to get a hosting account which provides the space for storing our website files on the internet. So how can you get a hosting account and how can you register with the domain? I have shown in the previous videos. You can go and check those videos. And then after getting a hosting account, and we just in after installing the WordPress, we just see this WordPress dashboard. So now we will see how can we transfer this local site to the live site. So in order to do this, let's now consider this to be our local WordPress, and this to be our live WordPress which we installed in the hosting from the hosting services which we have installed. So it is this is to the same, but I just want you to assume this to be the local. So now first step will be installing the plugin. So go to the plugins in this WordPress dashboard and click on add new plugin. So now search for the plugin called as all-in-one all-in-one WP migration. So click on install now. So you need to install the same plugin in your local WordPress dashboard too. So after then click on activate. So you need to do the same with this. Go to the plugins, click on add new, and you can install that all-in-one WP migration, and then we have installed and activated in both the WordPresses, that is in our local WordPress and also in this WordPress dashboard. Now this is our local where we have our all data and all the WordPress site which you have built on your computer. Now go to all-in-one WP migration and click on export. So once you click on export, so you can see export. So you can export to wherever you want, to file or to Dropbox or wherever it is. Click on one of the option and you can download this file. So once you download this file, this will be stored in your PC. And then now we'll go back to this WordPress and click on all-in-one WP migration and click on import. So click on import and import from, you can choose from where you want to import. So we will import the file that we have exported in this local website. So then we will import from there. Once you import, so the all the data from the local WordPress website is being imported to this live website. Now your website is live on internet. So this is how you can shift your data and website from the local local WordPress website to the live WordPress website on internet. This is all for this video, guys. I hope you guys found this video useful to you, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching, guys.